Hi everyone, I am CM Mitali Khose. Let's try to learn the concept of annuity today. Any sequential payments which are paid, for example, rental payments, insurance premium, or any sequential receipts, for instance, interest on investments. These are known as annuities. Annuities can be of two types. First one is known as ordinary annuity. When payments are made or received at the end of each period, it is known as ordinary annuity. The other name for ordinary annuity is annuity in arrears. The other type is annuity due, wherein payments are made or received at the beginning of each year. If we invest a particular amount at the end of each year, then the amount that we will receive at the time of maturity is known as future value of annuity. Let's understand this concept. Today we will first cover future value of ordinary annuity. Let's look at the illustration. If rupees 10,000 are deposited at the end of each year, the time period is 3 years. Expected rate of return is 12% per annum compounded annually. We are required to calculate how much money will we receive after the expiry of 3 years. The calculation of future value is somewhat similar to compound interest calculation. Let's first understand the logic behind it. As we are investing the amount at the end of each period, the amount that is invested at the end of year 1 will fetch interest only for 2 years. That is for year 2 and year 3. Likewise, the amount 10,000 that is invested at the end of year 2 will fetch interest for year 3 only. And similarly, the 10,000 rupees that are invested at the end of third year will not earn any interest. However, we will get our 10,000 rupees back. For calculating interest rate factor for year 1, we will take 1.12 as base. On 1 rupee, we will get interest for next 2 years. So 1.12 will be multiplied by 1.12. So in calculator, we can type 1.12 into equal to. We'll get 1.2544. Likewise, for year 2, as we are getting interest only for 1 year, so 1.12 will remain 1.12. And for third year, as there won't be any interest, there won't be any interest factor, that we will get our 10,000 as it is. The same calculation can be done using formula. When n is greater than 3 years, it is preferable to use this formula. Formula says future value is equal to principal into, that is nothing but annual deposits, 1 plus r raised to n minus 1 the whole divided by r. If we substitute the figures in above formula, we will get the same answer that we got earlier. Using same data, we can also calculate annuity due. The only difference will be that now deposits will be made at the beginning of each year. So, at the beginning of first year, we will deposit rupees 10,000, on which we will get interest for next 3 years. Likewise, for the deposits that are made at the beginning of second year, interest will be received for next 2 years. And similarly, on rupees 10,000 which are deposited at the beginning of year 3, the interest will be earned at 12%. Hence, future value of annuity due will be 37,793 rupees approximately. The way we calculated ordinary annuity using logic as well as formula. Likewise, we can also calculate annuity due using formula. The first half of the formula is same as ordinary annuity, as deposits will be made at the beginning of each period. The amount that will be invested at the beginning of last year will also fetch return for one period. Hence, the bracket 1 plus r is added in this formula. When we substitute the figures in above formula, we will get same future value that we got earlier, is approximately rupees 37,793. I hope the concept of future value for ordinary annuity as well as annuity due is clear by now. See you in next session where we will discuss present value concept. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.